Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to create a portfolio website. So without any further ado, let's just dive right in. So very first thing that we are going to be needing to do here is click on create new site, and then it is going to be asking you a couple of questions and stuff. So I'm going to be skipping this section which says setup using a chat. So you can see we got our options, so for which particular niche we want our site to. So you can see you can choose a desired option from here, and I'm going to be clicking across. So you can see we have portfolio here. So to create a portfolio site, you're going to be needing to click on this. Then you can see we have our different portfolios. Let's just say you are an artist, so click on this artist, or maybe a graphic animation portfolio or video portfolio. So I'm going to be selecting video portfolio and then click on continue. So just hold on a bit while it is preparing your dashboard, and yeah, once it is going to be completed, you can see I'm going to be heading over to design site section and pick a template. It is going to be giving me a head start for building our site. So let's just select, like for example, this looks pretty dope, and boom, that's how you literally make your portfolio site. And I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. So it's going to be taking a bit to load up. So yeah, but you got the point right. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel.